don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care.
So today I'm jumping straight into the tutorial. I'm using the Hello Happy foundation from Benefit, and I'm mixing a little bit of the MAC Hyper Real with it. The colours I used for this foundation, I used 2 and 3 because 2 was a little bit light and 3 was a little bit dark. So mixing 2 and 3 was like the perfect shade for me. So I'm just applying it all with my brush, and then I'm going to go back on top with a damp beauty sponge just to press and melt all the product in. This sponge is from Ofra. And now I'm going to take some of the Hyper Real and just go over my cheekbones and like anywhere I want to add that extra little bit of a glow, because I am going to add more highlight, but this just kind of adds the glow to the foundation. Now going in with concealer and contour, I'm taking my MAC Studio Fix concealer and I'm taking the shade NC15 to brighten and highlight under my eyes and down along my T-zone. I've been really into this concealer lately. It's like really lightweight but gives you that really nice amount of coverage without looking too heavy on the skin. It's definitely been a bit of a go-to for me lately. To contour, I'm taking the shade NW42 and I'm just going along my cheekbones, my jaw, and a little bit down along the sides of the temple, just to add a nice soft, subtle bronzy effect. And then I'm just going to blend all that out. It blends really nice. It's such a nice concealer to use for contour. It's just really easy to blend and really subtle. And then if you go anywhere that's a little bit too heavy, I always just get my beauty sponge and just like press over that area, and it helps everything just like melt back in. So now to set all that, I'm taking my Hudabeauty powder. This is the shade Pound Cake. So I'm just pressing that in with my sponge underneath my eyes and down along my T-zone. And then to bronze and warm up my complexion a little bit, I'm taking my Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. And I'm going to go over my contour to set and just to add a little bit of extra bronziness to the skin as well. For my brows, I'm taking my Brow Contour Pro in the Blonde Light shade. And I'm starting off with the darker shade. And I'm going to do the end part of my brow first. And I went for a bit more of a straighter brow today, just to kind of do something a little different. So I'm going to just fill the outer part and along the tail end of the brow with the darker shade, and then I use the lighter shade of the pencil to flick up the hairs in the front, just so it's not too dark in around the front. I like it to look a little bit softer. And now I'm taking my Hourglass mascara and I'm just giving my lashes a good coat of mascara. One thing I forgot to show was that I just got a little bit of concealer and tidied up the underneath part of the brow just to get it a little bit sharper and a little bit tidier. Now I'm taking my Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC, and I just use the 3 shades and just like mix them together and put them on the skin. I just like how the 3 of them look together. So I just like to add that nice glow to my skin. Even with my subtlest of makeup days, I will always wear highlighter. And for my lips, this is my favorite. I've been living for this lately. It's the YSL Night Rehab Lip Mask. But I love it for like just like a lip balm. I love it for gloss. It's just so good and leaves your lips feeling really soft and moisturized. So that is it for my quick skin makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.